What's up? I'm John Patterson. My bike check for 2013. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the front. Got S&M Slam XLT bars. Odyssey trigger lever. It's good for bar spinning, you know. Got a lot of clearance. I got one ODI long neck grip and one ODI O grip because I traded my friend behind the camera, you know. Got the profile push stem, top load, some Ghetto Odyssey stock brick gyro thing. I got electrical tape to hold it. Got the Deco top cap right there. You can see that for like a wrench. So I don't have to carry around Allen keys.
Talk about the tires.
I got the some stock thing. I don't know what it is. It's just to hold this. I got the Odyssey GTXR gyro. It's good. It spins real good. Got the Shadow captive forks. They're real scratched up. You know, I'm not that hard riding. I do. Demolition momentum tires in the front. They're real fat. You know, it's pretty good. Feel everything. Pumped up to the max. Indonesian Deviant mirror coast spokes. They're like stock. And then Infect titanium hub. It's real light. It's real good. Got some stock headset. I guess actually it's a Shadow one. It's just Shadow bearings. Forgot about that. Traded my friend. He doesn't know it was stock. So got some Sabrosa. Some frame. I don't know. It's low cut. It's good. Has that vortex down tube, whatever you call it. It's like a spiral oval. Got the movie tickets in the front. You know, Mike Spinner gave it to me personally. I don't care whoever met him. Whatever. I met him. That's all I back here is, you know. Got some stock. I don't know if they're stock or not, but just some Odyssey one piece gyro lower cables with a huge zip tie in the front. You know, keep it there, sturdy. Some Shadow hanger. Then I got the Shadow Sano brakes, I think they're called. I'm not sure. Just gonna say that's what they are. With the Shadow brake pads. KMC chain. Sabrosa skeleton sprocket. Madeira cranks and S&M 1-in-1. Yeah, 101 pedals. They're metal. They're really grippy. Got fit seat, that Deco seat post. Fit FAF tires in the back. They're real thick too. I like big tires. Pumped up to the max. A Nation runaway rim in purple, obviously the purple and black colorway. Chrome Shadow spokes and a Shadow Raptor back hub. It's real loud, but I like to put a lot of grease on it, so that way, you know, I don't like it as loud. And that's my bike. Oh, and I got some Ghetto Shadow barring on this side and an Odyssey barring on that side. And oh, and a Sputnik bottom bracket, and a Ghetto spacer for it. And that's my bike.